Hi, welcome to Inkscape for Teachers. I'm Geoff Phillips. In this tutorial we'll be looking at producing a triangle using a special tool that is a bit hidden within Inkscape. So let's get started. It might be that you want to draw a triangle that's pretty much to scale for a worksheet or a question on Pythagoras in a test or something like that. But this feature is hidden under Extensions, then go down to Render, and then down the bottom there to Triangle. You'll see the parameters here. If you know the three sides that you want, you can enter them there, or you can enter a couple of sides and an angle and choose the option here. I've got it set on sides A, B and angle C, and it'll just use sides A and B, which are the top two boxes there, and angle C down here, 90 degrees. I'm working on a Pythagoras worksheet. So I've entered 5 or 50, 120 here. I'm thinking of a 5, 12, 13 triangle, but I've just multiplied by 10 because it's in pixels and the triangle's a bit small otherwise. You can always scale it up, but I'll put in the bigger values here. So 5 or 50, 12 or 120, and 90 degrees for angle C. Simply click Apply and it'll draw the triangle and close. There's your right angle triangle, still a bit small, so I click on that and Control Shift and drag out from the centre there. There's my triangle. You might wish to change the stroke. I'm not quite sure how it comes up with the thickness of this stroke, but under the Fill and Stroke menu, Shift Control F, under Stroke Style, if I select the triangle first, I like a stroke of about 0.3 for most of my diagrams. So if I type that in and press Enter, that's a bit sharper, but it's up to you. One other thing in my triangle diagrams, I like to put a little right angle symbol in the corner. If I go to the Square and Rectangles tool, Control Shift and drag out a square, say like that. I'll leave that at 0.2 thickness. It's a bit smaller than the triangle's borders, which is what I want for my side symbols and angle symbols. If I drag this down, notice I've got my snapping tools on, but in particular the cusp snapping. If I drag this down, oops, I've accidentally changed the width of the square, just Control Z to get out of that, and then just drag more carefully. I've snapped on there. I'll just zoom in. If I click again, it reveals the rotation centre, which is about the centre of the square, but if I drag that to this corner so I can rotate about around there, it's not snapping because I haven't got this tool snapped to an item's rotation centre on, so I'll click that, drag the rotation centre and it snaps to that corner. Now I can just drag one of these around, and I want it to snap to the side there, which it's not doing. That's because I've got snap to paths turned off. I'll turn that on. Now if I drag this around and it snaps to the path, click and Control mouse wheel to zoom out, and there's a nice rectangle. If you want to group that all together, select it with a marquee, Control G to group. If you want to rotate it, click again and drag rotation handle around. You can get it whichever way you like so, or however. That completes this tutorial. Once again, thanks for watching, and check out my website www.maths-pro.com. Thanks again, bye.